Hello, today I'm here with Helen and she's from England, London. She has been learning Russian for 3 years now and she's been here in Tatarstan for 1 year now and she's about to leave soon. So we thought that we would record this kind of video and I thought that we would do a language challenge. First, I'm going to give her 5 slang words and phrases in Russian, and then she's going to give me some British slang words and phrases. Well, we both have to guess what they mean and explain it. So you're
Should
going
I
to...
start?
Yes.
Okay. My first expression or phrase for you is donkey's ears.
Donkey's ears. Oh, donkey's ears. Can you use it in a sentence?
Yes. So, I haven't seen you for donkey's years.
Oh, that means I haven't seen you for ages. Like that kind of thing. Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
For a long time, yeah. Okay. Next one.
Okay. What about the bee's knees?
Bear's knees.
Bee's knees. I can say it in a sentence.
Yeah, please.
So, I don't know. This cake is the bee's knees. He's the bee's knees. Oh, I loved it. It was the bee's knees. It's a really strange
How's it
one.
spelled?
So bee, like the insect.
Yeah.
Buzz.
Yeah. Oh.
And then the bee is like belonging to the bee and his knees.
Bee's knees.
I love going to the beach. It's the absolute bee's knees.
Oh, it's awesome. Like it's amazing. It's
It's the best thing ever.
it's the best thing ever. That was the best explanation ever. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna remember that.
Okay, and then my next one is gobsmacked.
Oh, what does that even mean? Can you repeat that?
Gobsmacked. This is your gob, your mouth,
Oh,
and smacked is like
when someone is punished or something. No.
Nope.
Oh, in a sentence, please.
I was absolutely gobsmacked by the result of the election.
Oh, I was shocked. That explains it. It's so much more
Gobsmacked.
easier to explain that when you hear the sentence example.
Definitely.
So,
My next one is Bob's your uncle.
I think I've heard that before. Is that like what's your uncle? Can it be used like a single expression when you? Not in a
It's
sentence.
usually part of kind of if you're telling a story, then at the end of the story you might be like, "Oh, I'm Bob's your uncle. I arrived in Russia."
What's your uncle? I can't explain that.
It's really hard to explain, but I get the impression you kind of understand what it means.
Is there a Russian translation for that?
Maybe like, ну вот, ну так все получилось.
Oh, okay. What's
Like,
your uncle? Like,
и-
it turned out that.
Yeah,
So,
it
like,
turned out that exactly.
Okay.
That's not my cup of tea.
Oh, that's not my thing. That I'm not good at that or something like that.
Or I'm not good at that, or I don't like that.
Thank you. So now my
I'm
turn.
really nervous.
So you can read them actually here.
Okay.
Okay. The first one. Мне глубоко фиолетово. When Russian people say that, what do you think they mean? It has nothing to do with the color. Мне глубоко фиолетово.
Глубоко фиолетово.
Мне глубоко фиолетово. Что ты обо мне думаешь? Кто-нибудь говорит тебе?
То есть тебе обидно?
Нет.
Нет?
Например, кто-то сдает совет, да? Кому-то. А тот человек такой, он такой opinionated person, like headstrong person, and he doesn't want to listen to him. And he says, мне глубоко фиолетово. Что ты мне там советуешь, в общем?
Мне все равно.
Yes,
Ah,
that's
I
right.
don't
It's
care.
correct. I don't
Okay,
care. That
I
means
don't care.
I don't care.
Okay. Interesting one. Руки в ноги и вперед.
Руки в ноги и вперед. Что это означает, когда говорят руки в ноги и вперед?
Ну, не знаю, давай, торопись.
Да, но в принципе да. Yes.
So it means
Get set and go.
yeah, off you go, like hurry up, like kind of, or maybe not hurry up, but like get on your way.
Yeah. Get doing or get to doing something. So, руки в ноги вперед. Зарубить себе на носу.
Зарубить.
Зарубить на носу. Говорят, заруби себе на носу.
Предложение можно.
Какой-нибудь такой строгий отец говорит парню своей дочери, заруби себе на носу, обидишь. Вот, короче, ему показывают этому парню,
типа
заруби себе на носу.
угроза, что ли?
Да. По-английски это будет bear in mind that.
Oh,
get this
bear
in
in
your
mind. Oh, get this in your head.
Yes.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Like-
Oh, I like
Дальше 4-я фраза. Базара нет.
базар нет. Ну, базар как, рынок или...
Ну да, есть
Да.
значение в смысле рынок, есть
Значит,
еще...
что... еще как...
Есть еще один смысл. Слово базар.
Но в этом контексте это такая... выбора нет, может быть. Есть только
Нет.
один вариант.
Нет, это используется, знаешь, когда вот в диалоге кто-нибудь, например, два человека, они о чем-то договорились, и один говорит другому, базара нет, то есть...
Это как договорилось,
Да,
дальше.
базар нет, то есть договорились.
Ага.
Is there such a translation, that word up? Is that a correct one?
I haven't heard that.
Базара
I'm
нет.
not sure. I haven't heard word up.
So, like, deal.
Deal.
Deal,
Deal.
yeah.
I got
And
it.
the last one, руки не доходят посмотреть.
Руки не доходят посмотреть. Когда тебе лень.
Ну да, в принципе, когда тебе лень, в общем, это как бы like an excuse.
An excuse.
Руки не доходят посмотреть, то есть that means that you have no time to do it. But basically,
But it's
person
an
says that when
excuse.
he's a lazy bot and he doesn't want to do anything. Not to have
Maybe
got
I
time.
haven't got round to it, we say. Like if you haven't had time, we say, I haven't got round to doing that yet.
Okay. And now we're going to make fun of each other's accents. Russian English learners are famous for their Russian accent. Well, actually, I used to have a Russian accent in English before.
And now he speaks English with a perfect British accent.
Oh, it's not perfect. Oh, thank you. First, I'm going to read a piece of text in that Russian accent. And then Helen is supposed to repeat that with that Russian accent. So I'm going to show her how to read that. And second, she is going to read a Russian piece of that poem. And I'm going to repeat that in an English accent. Because she's got a little bit of that accent. And I think it's cute, actually.
When I speak Russian.
I think it's gonna be fun. Hello, my friend. I'm from Russia. So, to be or not to be? That is the question. Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against the sea of troubles, and by opposing end them. That was a terrible Russian accent. I guess.
I know that sounded very strongly Russian to me. Well, it sounded like you didn't like a Russian person who hasn't studied English.
Really? Okay, now you
I don't know if
just
I
try to do
can.
that.
Okay,
Just imagine that you are Russian.
I will try. Okay.
Okay.
To be or not to be? That is the question. Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles and by opposing end them.
That was perfect Russian accent. Yeah, I like that. Okay, now the Russian part of it.
Okay. Do you want me to read this how I read
Yes.
Russian, or with the more exaggerate? Well, we'll
I
just.
don't know.
Быть или не быть? Вот в чем вопрос. Что лучше для души? Терпеть пращи и стрелы яростного рока или на море бедствия? Ополчившись, покончить с ними.
Быть или не быть, вот в чем вопрос. Что лучше для души? Терпеть пращи и стрелы яростного рока или на море бедствия, ополчившись, покончить с ними? No, I'm not good at this. No, you did it better. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope you liked your year here
Oh, I really
in
did.
Kazan, and hope to see you here again.
Definitely.
It's really nice to have this video recorded. Okay. Мне глубоко фиолетово.
И что значит фиолет?
Фиолетовый цвет есть такой. Это обычно, наверное, используют гопники, там, не знаю, is to... окей, не так сказать. То есть вступление в вторую часть видео.
Just
so
the
maybe-
second part.
Okay. So next we're gonna do an English accent. So me, I'm gonna... No, how to say that?
We're going to do an accent.
So the next one is accent tag. Is it called accent tag?
I've never heard that.
Okay. So that's it, guys. You know, all the phrases. I think we did good. Did well.